Is health a priority for your family like it is for ours? Then you definitely need a solid blender in your life. We were sent this one over from Cozii and we're super impressed with it. Hi, it's Sarah from DeMaria Do, and today I'm going to show you how to use the personal container for the blender as well as the larger container, 1.85 liter. And you can tell that it's a really nice vessel, either of them. And I love that we have the option to do the smaller smoothie because my daughters really love smoothies. So to get started, we'll put it into the base. We already have all of our ingredients in here, and then turn it on. There is a whole bunch of functions, including the smoothie function. Okay, I love that we can just shake it up. There's probably not quite enough liquid in here for it. What's really nice is it also does come with this recipe book so that you can get the right ratios, so we'll have to check this one out as well. I also want to show you quickly how to create some breadcrumbs using the blender. This is something that I do pretty often as a bread baker. So you're just going to put it on the base again. This time I'm going to use blend, but there's also an option to pulse, which is super nice too. So turn it on. So you can see it does an excellent job. This is what my first set of breadcrumbs looks like. If anything gets stuck, sort of like the smoothie did, there is this tamper, which I find really nice. You can just open the top and use the tamper. So I'm very impressed with this, and we're definitely going to use this for our healthy lifestyle in our household.